हॅलो.
Yes, ma'am.
आलेत का सगळे?
No, ma'am.
जस्ट अ मिनिट. Good evening. Today, boys are also here. Your proctor teacher is on leave today, so I will be conducting if you don't have any problem. Okay, so we have started with introduction. Batch B2, your introduction is done to sir? Kasturi sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay, good. So we should start with the fresh topic. We'll take today newspaper reading. How to read a newspaper. Just give me 2 minutes, more people I want here. Okay, I have a paper here. Can you just see this paper, newspaper? This is today's paper.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, right. So there are some news and I'll ask you one by one to read whatever I wish you to read, okay? So please go ahead and read and try to understand what is it and how you can read, okay? So I'll start with whom I can start? Can I start with roll number 1? Are you okay? Roll number 1 to start with. Okay, we'll start.
Random, ma'am. Random.
Random.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay, sure.
Random. Yes,
Random.
ma'am.
Okay, good. Random. So we'll go first. I'll not force. We'll go first. Sure. Anyone who wish can go first. Don't worry. No one is judging you. I already told you. This is your proctor session. You are here something to learn. Right? So हा बघतोय, तो बघतोय, हा ऐकतोय, ऐकू देत. काहीतरी शिकायला मिळेल. ठीक आहे? So go ahead and who will go first? Tell me. Should I tell? Shall I pick someone from boys today? So I'll pick Tanmay. Are you ready, Tanmay?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read now? I'll ask you something to read, okay? Don't hesitate. चुकलं तरी चालतंय. Okay. Tanmay, go with the headline, then the first para up to this. Okay, start reading.
Diwali chair. Cinemas can run at full capacity. 200 allowed at weddings and funerals.
Okay, some words are there. If you don't know, please ask, okay? And read slow. Diwali chair. Cinemas can run at full capacity. 200 allowed at weddings and funerals.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, there are some words. If you don't know, just you can search. Other people can search. If you don't know, everyone knows wedding. Everyone, do you know funerals? After death functions, right? These are the funerals. So just do not read. Try to understand in your mind what it is. Okay, headline says Diwali cheer, cinemas can run at full capacity. Do you understand in your mind what it is? Everyone, this is the headline. Headline is clear. Then there is something 200 allowed. So how will you read a newspaper? Just wait, Tanmay. How will you read newspaper is word by word. Diwali cheer. Because of Diwali, this happens. What is that? Cinemas, yes, can run at full capacity. Means आता सिनेमामध्ये पूर्ण कपॅसिटीने सिनेमा बघायला लोक येऊ शकतात, राईट. मग खाली दिले 200 अलाउड ऍट वेडिंग्स, लग्नाला आणि आफ्टर डेथ फंक्शन्सला 200 लोक अलाउड आहेत. हे सगळं समजतंय तुम्हाला वाचताना. So whenever you read a newspaper, go word by word, and if you are fluent, very good, you can go fastly. Yes, Tanmay, go ahead with the first para.
New Delhi. The festive season has brought some cheer to film exhibitors with the Delhi Disaster Management
Disaster
Authority.
Management Authority.
Disaster Management Authority allowing, for the first time since the COVID outbreak in the city, all cinema halls, multiplex, and theaters to function with 100% seating capacity from November 1st. Till now, a 50% cap has been in place.
Okay, do you understand? But now you have read, right? The festive season has brought some cheer to film exhibitors. It is related to film industry. Because of Diwali, something is happened, right? If you don't know some words, exhibitors, you can search for that. Underline while you read a newspaper, underline the word, search, and write the meanings to its side. So what is exhibitors? Those who exhibit something like cinema halls or theaters, right? These are called exhibitors. So with the Delhi Disaster Management Authority, they allowing, what are they allowing? Dash. For the first time since the COVID outbreak. After COVID has happened, this is for the first time in the city. Which city? Delhi. All cinema halls, what they are allowing is here. All cinema halls, multiplexes, theaters to function with 100% sitting capacity from November 1. Till now, a 50% cap has been in place. What does it mean? Till now, a 50% cap has been in place. What do you mean by this cap here? Do you understand?
Capacity.
Not capacity. Capacity is capacity. Here is the word capacity. Cap is the upper limit to something. This is the highest which can allowed. Cap is something, the upper limit. So 50% cap. So 50% is the upper limit. Till now it was in place. तिथे होतं. Understood? Go word by word, go with para, and you will be understand. Okay, chalo. Next para I'll go with someone else. Now anyone is
Yes, ma'am. May I?
okay, go ahead, beta. Go ahead.
Okay. They will, however, need to ensure the use of masks by everyone, make sanitizers and thermal screening available, allow a longer intermission to let people sitting in different rows to move in a staggered manner
Staggered.
and ensure
Staggered.
yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
In a staggered manner and ensure staggered entry and exit.
Good. Very good. So they will, however, need to ensure the use of mask by everyone. Understood up to this? Yes. There is restriction 8, that is everyone should be wearing mask. Make sanitizers and thermal screening available. It should be there. Allow a longer intermission to let people sitting in. Do you understand about this? Allow a longer intermission. Everyone knows intermission? Where there is a break in between two halves of the movie. That is called intermission. So allow a longer intermission. Generally, it is of 10 minutes in the theater. So because of this COVID, they can make it a longer, like can increase by 5 to 10 minutes more, right? To let people sitting in different rows They should sit in different rows to move in a staggered manner. What is staggered here? Staggered is like a zigzag movement, so that no one will touch each other. Like if you move in this direction, I can move on that direction. So that is called staggered manner, zigzag manner. And ensure staggered entry also, staggered entry and exit. Okay, chalo, next para. We'll go next with the next para. From girls, can anyone go now? Please go by your own, or I'll ask you to read.
Hello.
Vishal, you wanna go? Go ahead, beta. Good.
The number of visitors at weddings and funerals has also been increased to 200. Restaurants and bars will, however, continue with half of the
There, it cuts. So half
sitting-
of there, right? Sitting capacity. Very good, Vishal. So, right. So whenever now, okay, importance of this reading. Whenever I'll tell you one incident. Yesterday's incidents. TCS company was here for the interview, and most of the students are not able to read anything, not a single like a line. So they told them that you are very not much fluent in English. So first thing you should work on is your English. So it whether it can be a grammar or your fluency, whatever, right? So it's important. If you want to get placed in some good companies or somewhere, you should be fluent. So it is up to you. I'm from, just to tell you, I'm from Marathi school, Marathi medium. So just by reading and improving yourself, you can improve. Okay, just try, and you will be able to do so. So please start reading whatever, wherever you get the article, just read, and by reading and talking, you will be very much fluent. It's not that hard language. It's a very easy among all the languages. Do you agree? It has no kana, no matra, nothing. It is simple language, very simple language. So everyone will be able to do so. Okay, I want now anyone from girl. Okay, please, girls. Okay, I'll give you this Kashmiri girl. Chal. Anyone from the girl now? Then I'll go again to boys. Please go ahead. Sharayu, can you unmute and read? Yes, go ahead, beta.
Kashmiri girl wins World Kickboxing Gold. Tajmul Islam 13 is the first Kashmiri girl to have represented India and won the gold medal in the under 14 category in World Kickboxing Championship in Cairo. Hailing from a village in Bandipora, Tajmul beat Argentina's Lalina in the final.
Good, good, nice. You are good. Chalo, next. Roll number 1. Is there any other boy who can read the next on your own, beta? You want to take a charge?
May I,
someone?
ma'am?
Yes, Suyesh, go ahead, beta. What do you, paperwork. Or will you-
Paperwork.
Go ahead with paperwork. Yes, just a minute.
Paperwork keeps Aryan in jail for another day. Mumbai. Hours after the Bombay SC gave its operative part of the ball order at 3:30 p.m. Friday, setting the surety amount at rupees 1 lakh. Hopes for the same day release of Aryan Khan from jail dwindled as bail formalities, which included furnishing of a surety and other procedures, took time.
Good, good. So, it was Suyesh, right? Suyesh, the problem
Yes, ma'am.
is, the problem is some words, or yes, you can, I know you can improve, but some words are there, you have to, I guess it is not visible properly. It is bell, not ball. So just think little and you will be very good. You are good. You are good.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Yes. Okay, next. We'll go next. From girls, please take a charge like boys and say, I will do this. Girls. You need to force. Chal. Roll number 3, Shraddha. Shraddha. Shraddha, you don't want to read this?
Hello, ma'am.
Ha, Shraddha? Who is that? Is this Shraddha?
Hello, ma'am.
Ha, Sakshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead, Sakshi.
Kannada star Puneet 46 dies of the cardiac arrest.
But wait,
Bengaluru.
wait. Most of the people has the habit to read the if it is not there. Is it there? That is the mistake. Don't make it. Wherever if it is the, then only read the, otherwise read as it is, please. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead, beta.
Kannada star Puneet 46 dies of cardiac arrest. Bengaluru. Popular Kannada film star Puneet Rajkumar at
Wait.
40.
Can you see star there? It is film actor. Read what is given. Okay, we know it is film star, but it is given here actor. So read actor. Ha, beta, go ahead once again.
Bengaluru. Popular Kannada film actor Puneet Rajkumar 46 who ruled the screen in the footsteps of his father, the legendary
Legendary.
legendary
Yes.
Rajkumar died of a cardiac arrest on Friday. He was a fitness enthusiast and mascot for a healthy heart campaign. Report BV Shiva.
Okay, it's okay. Report by someone. Okay. Chalo. Understood, but whatever you read, you understood while reading?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Who ruled the screen in the footstep of his father? His father was also a superstar, right? He was fitness enthusiast and mascot. What is mascot? Like a god who is who praise them like a god. So this is a mascot or a lucky charm. We can say lucky charm, a lucky person. Chalo, next. We'll go next. Chalo, anyone. Now, no girls, boys. Chalo, anyone can come up and read. From boys, anyone want to come up? Guys, don't waste time. Do it fast. तुम्हाला कोणी काही म्हणणार आहे का? मीच आहे ना इकडे. मी जज नाही करत आहे आणि तुम्हाला कोणीही जज नाही करत आहे. मी फक्त तुम्हाला सांगते हे असं वाचा. That's it. I'm not judging.
Can I?
Yes, sir Ali. Go ahead. Go ahead.
After 11 months, border barricades start coming down. Ghaziabad, New Delhi. The main Ghaziabad Delhi Gazipur border to remove the barricades placed across the Delhi Meerut expressway to prevent agitating farmers from entering the capital.
Okay, good. So, do you understand? Whatever
Yes,
you,
ma'am.
yes, good. So while reading also, You should think what it is. Chalo, next para, who will go now? Who will go next? Please go and read. From boys? Or else I'll need to force you. घाबरतायत का?
Hello, ma'am.
हाँ, प्रगति, go ahead, बेटा.
BKU leader Rajesh Tikait said their protest at the site would go on. Delhi police is removing the barricades on Supreme Court's orders. We had told the court that it was the police which had blocked the road, not us, he said.
Now, can any one of you explain me who said this? Okay, he said is the last, right? There is he said. Who is he? Who is he?
BKU leader Rajesh.
BKU leader.
It is a BKU leader Rajesh Tikait said their protest at the site would go on. Delhi police is removing the barricades on Supreme Court's order. We had told the court that it was the police which had blocked the road, not us. He said. Means who said? Rajesh Tikait said. Nice. Next para. Shall anyone come up and read?